AQB stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Aquabounty stock is sitting at good 68 cents and has put some crazy good numbers, man. Like 25% gains, phenomenal. But that's the micro. If I look at the macro, it's still a bearish market. A lot of people do not look at that, and it just drives me nuts. I mean, I've done 33,000 videos, and it's not exaggeration when I say I've seen this happen thousands of times. And do you know what the 99.98% of the time outcome is? You bet. You bet. I mean, if the price starts breaking above 96 cents, then potentially I'm going to look too long, right? But only if there's a double break above it. But we're not there yet, man. Like, yeah, it's a bearish range. So that's all about this. Like, it's not even like the candles that I'm willing to trade, because like, look at these wicks. Like, what the hell is this? Right? So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.